Be my boyfriend.
Говорю. Скучно. Ну просто.
Little Mama and Avril Lavigne remix. Little Mama and Avril Lavigne remix. Little Mama and Avril Lavigne remix. Little Mama and Avril Lavigne. I don't like your girlfriend. No way. Think you need a new one. I could be your girlfriend. Mama be your girlfriend. I know that you like me. No way. No, it's not a secret. I want to be your girlfriend. Mama be your girlfriend. Don't get it twisted, little mama got her paper on. That mean I'm a paper chaser. I chase my paper on. And I don't be chasing paper that you be chasing on. I just deliver them lyrics that people focus on. Get up in the booth and I chop that song. Put it in the store when they go cop song. Everybody know that it's no combo. Y'all better lay low like Fofos. Can't straight know, but I already know. I go in like Pac J So. So get it, Biggie, Mama, BROO, Caitlyn Drummer. Please, A bar stop. All I know is 16 to pop. Told y'all better act for pop. Been doing this since Hot won't pop. Nobody can't stop. Problem is I'm crack on rock. Problem is they love my style, so I gotta go